Hey guys, what's up? It's Faith and welcome back to my what am I doing? If you couldn't tell by the title, I had this crazy wonderful idea to wear Stranger Things Halloween costumes to school for a week. Anywho, I was in the shower one day and a random idea hit me because I wanted to do a Halloween video because I love Halloween, but I didn't want it to be basic. So this is what I came up with. Kind of made a fool out of myself most of the time in this video, but it was fun. But yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up for me. If you haven't done so yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And yeah, let's get into this video and watch me be an idiot. Good morning guys. Actually it's afternoon because it's Monday. I don't have class on Monday, so I usually sleep in really late and just chill around, but you know, I have to go out and get lunch now because I'm hungry. Today's Stranger Things costume, I'm going to be 11 in her really cute like geometric print like romper. I got this from Spirit Halloween and it's actually really good quality. So I washed it and it's softer now. It's a little wrinkly because I packed it up when I came back home this weekend, but I think it looks good. It actually looks like a genuine outfit, so I'm curious to see how many people are gonna like recognize it or not. I'm kind of nervous. Okay, so I got the romper on and it's actually really cute and it doesn't really feel like a costume, which is a plus because costumes can be crappy. It also came with these blue socks, so I just paired it with my white Nike Air Force ones because I figured that looks very Stranger Things-ish. So this is what the outfit looks like full view. I really like it though. Honestly, this type of stuff is in trend now, so it probably won't even look that weird. Okay, so I'm gonna head out now and get some lunch and I'm bringing you guys with me and we're gonna see if people notice this or not. All right fam, wish me luck. Here I go out into the open. Honestly, if I got powers like 11 from wearing this outfit, that'd be pretty cool. I really wish that this romper had pockets so I could put my phone in it, but no. So I had to leave my water bottle behind. I'm kind of sad about it. Made it to land. Well, gotten some weird look, but I did get my food, so I'm winning. Some people may think I'm weird, but I don't eat the top bun on my burger because bread is bad for me, but I like takeout, so have to sacrifice things for that. I always have to walk around like in five circles just to find a seat. Like if you want to know what you do at college, you just look for places to sit most of the time. Oh my gosh, I had to abort. It's way too hot out here. Okay, gotta go up the stairs of death. Finally made it up the stairs to land. In like 40 minutes, I'm going to a cycling class. So afterwards, I'll try to put this back on. Today's just one of those slower days. But I'm excited for tomorrow because I have class, so that's gonna be fun. They're working on something, so I feel like, what the heck, in an airplane, really? Well, that was awkward, but you know, I survived. I definitely got a lot of weird looks when people came out of class, but no one said anything. So they might think I'm just a strange person who wears Stranger Things outfits as real outfits. Maybe that's what they think. Good morning, guys. It's Tuesday, and I am currently dressed up as Hopper because Hopper is the best. I totally didn't do anything after the gym yesterday because I was wiped out. I didn't film anymore in that outfit, but did wear it quite a bit. Anyway, I'm about to head out to class because I slept in because I was so freaking tired. So this is the Hopper top. I got this from Hopper top. I got this from Spirit Halloween and I washed it and it actually feels like a real shirt. And I tied it because they only had a men's medium. They didn't go down to a small, so it's kind of big, and so I couldn't tuck it in or I'd look like Santa Claus. Don't want that. And then I just put this belt on from ASOS, and then I wear my like mom jeans because Hopper wears like light denim, and then I wore some brown boots. Anywho, I gotta head out because I'm gonna be late, and yeah, I will film on my phone because if I bring this camera, I swear it's something about this camera, like people act like they've never seen a camera before. So I'm gonna do my phone. See you guys in a second. Okay, so I'm still at the library working on my accounting homework because it takes like 5 years to finish. But I'm still wearing my outfit. These jeans are very uncomfortable, but I'm wearing them for you guys. I think I did a good job with this outfit. It really looks like what he would wear. I just finished up at the library. People said my shirt looked cool, so that's good. And now I'm gonna go work out. So wish me luck. Good morning guys, what's up? Today is Today is Thursday. I totally didn't do anything yesterday, which is why I'm on Thursday. But don't worry, I'm gonna either do it on Saturday or next Monday to finish this. I just literally didn't do anything yesterday. And oh my gosh, it was so crazy. But today is Thursday and I have class in like 5 minutes. I have to leave. So I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. So I'm dressed as Dustin today and I do have a hat to go with the shirt, but I can't wear the hat to class because of dress code. I do have the shirt on. So this is the roast beef shirt and this is from Target. If you guys wanted to pick it up, it's actually actually really cute. I'm not really mad about this outfit because it's kind of cute. And then to go with the shirt, I just have my same jeans I wore on Tuesday and then some navy Converse. Well, I just turned the light on. It's so much brighter in here. Anyway, I have to go to class. I'm gonna try to vlog throughout the day. I have to go pick up my packages, so I'll be going there. And yeah, I actually don't mind this outfit. It's kind of cute. Hopefully all goes well. I have a giant zit on my chin. Great. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, I'm back from class in the post office. I went to pick up my packages and I had 2 ginormous boxes, and here I am thinking, you know, I got this. I can carry them. Holy crap. Oh my gosh, my arms are so weak. Look what it did to my arm. There's like marks on my arm now. I swear. Anyway, class went super well and I wore my nice outfit and my arms are shaking because I've worked out 3 times in a row the past 3 days and I carried those ginormous boxes like 5 miles back here. So anyway, I'm unpacking those. There's some stuff for a YouTube collab that I have coming up on my channel, so be on the lookout for that. And yeah, and that made me sound really cool, but I'm really lame, I promise. And yeah, no one's really said anything about my outfit. I've gotten some weird looks as usual, but I actually like this outfit, so I don't really mind this one as much. Hey guys, so I'm editing this video right now, and that day I actually ended up not filming anymore. We had campus community and small groups that night, so I didn't film, but I promise you guys I wore it, and it was grand. It was a grand outfit, and yeah, I liked it. So I just wanted to let you guys know that. Let's carry on with the rest of this video. Hey guys, what's up? It's Friday and I am currently dressed like a sailor. What? I'm about to head to the Target, so I'm gonna wear my little sailor outfit out to Target and take you guys with me. For the record, I had to wear leggings with this because here it was summer one day and then the next it just turned to winter. We had no fall. We were robbed of fall. It just skipped. So it's freezing cold, so I'm wearing leggings. So this is shorts and I don't want to be cold. So if it looks stupid, I'm sorry. It's pretty cute. Honestly, not that bad, but it's freezing cold, so this probably is not a fashion statement. Leggings with shorts, but I didn't bring my tights with me to school, so had to improvise. All right, fam, this is a look right here. I made it out to my car, and now I'm gonna head out to Target. You know, it's just a normal day. You know, guys, it's moments like these where I learn to just question my life sometimes, you know? Why am I dressed up as Robin going into Target? I don't really know. All right, I'm in Target. I take my hat off because it's so windy and it almost blew away. But I like my little hat. I'm looking for warmer clothes. The weather just decided to do a 180 on me. All right, I warmed up now. I already got one weird look for my hat. You know, the things I do. Cute shirts over here. Oh my gosh, almost took out the box. This is a great experience. I need some more storage bins. Surprise, surprise, because everything, it's so much nicer if you have a storage bin. Well, I'm just not finding any baskets that are gonna work. None of these are gonna work. That's sad. My thing keeps coming like on Velcro. It's powered by Halloween costume. Well, my camera decides it doesn't want to work right now, so I have to vlog on my phone, which is great. Guys, I was already drawing attention to myself in this outfit, and I just ran the cart into the like post, and it made a really loud sound. And people were walking by, so it was a great time. But I'm gonna get some cute garland for my room because I think it's cute, and you know, after that, I'm getting some cute garland. Well, fam, that was very eventful. My camera stopped working, which is just great. Okay guys, I just got back to my dorm. Funny story here. I wore this outfit to a cafe place to get a acai bowl, and then I realized I forgot to get something at Target. So I had to go back to the same exact Target, dressed in the same exact outfit, and I had to go get stuff. So that's what I did. And then my phone had low battery, so I couldn't film. And I was like, oh crap, because my camera wasn't working because the SD card was like janked up. And so what I did was I was gonna film my phone, but then I was like, oh no, the battery's gonna die. So I went to Target to get a cord, and I bought a charger cord, and then I got back out to the car and took out the box and realized that it was not an iPhone charger cord. Yeah, basically since I ding dong ditched Wednesday, I'm gonna wear my Max outfit tomorrow. Yeah. We have a football game and I think I might be going. I'm not sure. I think I was supposed to help film, so we'll see. But yeah, that's my 2 cents. Good morning guys, what's up? Today is the last day of my wearing Stranger Things costumes to school for a week. Anyway, as you guys know, I totally missed Wednesday because I hibernated in my room and worked on school all day. So I decided to wait till Monday to film the last outfit, and that's what I'm doing today. My battery's about to die. Better be quick. Okay, as I was saying before the battery died, today I'm dressing up as Max. So I couldn't find her exact shirt because it's actually sold out, and all of the like kind of costumey ones were also sold out. Why you do this to me? So anyway, I found this shirt that looks very similar to Max's. This is from Olive and Pepper. I'll link it in the description box below if you guys want it because it's really cute and I'm gonna wear it a ton. And yeah, I thought it looked pretty close as I could find. You know guys, I tried. I have shorts that look like the exact shorts she wore on the show, but it's literally freezing cold outside and I'm not allowed to wear shorts in the academic buildings until after 6. So I'm gonna be wearing these mom jeans. They look like something someone would wear in Stranger Things. You know what? They work. I've worn these with the 2 of the other outfits. So American Equal has cool Stranger Things pants. On the show, Max was wearing some Vans, but those were also sold out. So I just put my black Vans on that I already have. And you know, I look like Max. Okay, it's 2 o'clock, 2:30, and I finally got lunch. I just got some pho. It's like noodles and chicken and this really good teriyaki sauce. Anyway, after this, I think I'm gonna go get some packages from the post office and then head back to work on this video. Got my packages. Now I have to walk back like 20 million miles. Alright guys, I just got back from getting my packages and getting lunch, but I'm gonna be wearing this for the rest of the day. I'll vlog a little bit if I can. Sometimes there's like a bajillion people and you literally can't hear because it's so loud, but if I go somewhere, I'll let you know. But I am gonna wear this for the rest of the day. I pinky promise. It's been a good day. Like honestly, I like this shirt. I'm gonna wear this like a lot. Thanks Max. Mad Max is a real MVP. Okay guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed me making a fool out of myself. Some of these weren't that bad. Actually, a lot of people liked my outfit, so that was kind of cool. No one really said anything to me like, oh my gosh, that's from Stranger Things. I got some weird luck in a few of the costumes, but you know. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys like these types of videos, let me know in the comments below, and I will do more of these wearing different themed outfits to school for a week, because honestly this was kind of fun. So yeah, that's gonna do it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up for me, and if you guys haven't done so yet, make sure to hit the subscribe button right below me, and if you're interested in checking out any of my previous videos, you can click them right over there, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.